Hey all, I am Chris Hanahan from Remax Center Realty. Remax Center Realty cares for our community and is doing our part by featuring small business owners in the Center region. We will interview local business owners to see how the current situation is affecting their business and what we as a community can do to help. Today we are with Billie Joe Friday from Farmers Insurance in Tyrone. Hey Billie Joe.
Hi, Chris.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good, it's good to hear. Thanks so much for taking the time to talk with me. So I would love to know how business is going at Farmers for you.
Right now, I'm sure as everyone is in the insurance industry, but it's kind of upside down at the moment, with everything that's going on from day to day. It keeps changing on us, between, what you're allowed to do, what you're not allowed to do. Like at first we weren't allowed to have our office open. Now we're allowed to have our office open, but we're not allowed to have people in. And there's just a lot of things that have been going on.
So COVID-19 has changed the way you're doing business for now. In what other ways?
Well, one, we have to have our door locked. We are not permitted to have any inside traffic at all, which means that if somebody does come to our office and they knock on the door, we're not permitted to let them in. We've been doing a lot of business either by mail, the Zoom meetings. We are doing DocuSign for the documents if they need to be signatures. I've actually been going out and I've been doing porch pickups is what I've been calling them. So like for instance, there are some customers that want to make sure that their payments are made on time, and I don't want them out in this crap. So I have been going to their house and picking up their payments on their porch, posting the payments, and then mailing them the receipts.
So what do you want your clients and the public to know about Farmers Insurance right now, and how can they help? How can they help themselves right now, and how can they help you?
Well, Farmers cares about our customers, we're doing everything we possibly can, as well as, some of the other insurance companies too, but we're doing everything we possibly can. I myself at this agency, my employees and I have been making personal telephone calls to all of our customers, letting them know exactly what initiatives Farmers has offered to them. The 25%, credit on their April bill, as well as, the things that they're doing specifically for the business customers that are currently, either not allowed to work, they have their office, or their restaurants closed, or they're very limited to the functions that they might have. So we've been making those telephone calls as best we can, just doing whatever we can to help them out, because we know that it's trying time for them as well.
I talked to you briefly before we started this interview, and you had a great idea as far as ways that you're still serving the community, and that is for people to perhaps take some time to review their own policies. What do you want to say about that?
I do agree that that's a great time. This is a great time. I know that, it's also a great time to spend time with your family, because it's kind of a little bit of a downtime. But it's also a good time to check with on your policy to make sure that all of your discounts are being applied the way they're supposed to be. There might have been something that changed on your policy since the last time you sat down with your agent. So it's a good time just to make a telephone call to make sure everything's being applied.
No, that sounds great and very, very helpful.
It is.
I am so happy that I got to talk to you today, Billie Joe.
Me too. I miss you.
I miss you too. Remax Center Realty cares for our community and our local business owners just like ourselves. If you'd like your business featured on our series, please message us. Tough times don't last, but tough communities do. And together we can make a difference. Thanks again, Billie Joe, and I will talk to you soon.
All right. Thanks so much, Bruce. See ya.
See ya all. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.